Today, we're diving into the world of classic cars that you can buy for under $1,000. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or just getting started, these budget-friendly classics offer a fantastic opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Hi guys, welcome to Finest Vehicles. Today we will look at cheap classic cars under $1,000. Starting off this list, we have the Ford Maverick, which was built from 1970 until 1977. Ford introduced the Maverick as a compact car aimed at providing American drivers with a stylish and affordable alternative to imported vehicles. It featured a robust design and offered various engine options, including the inline-six and V8 configurations. The Maverick's durability and straightforward mechanics have endeared it to classic car enthusiasts looking for a blend of American styling and driving pleasure. Its affordability and potential for performance upgrades make it a popular choice among those seeking a budget-friendly classic car project. Next on this list is the AMC Gremlin, which was built from 1970 until 1978. The AMC Gremlin is perhaps one of the most distinctive cars of its time, known for its compact size and unconventional styling. It was introduced as a direct competitor to the Volkswagen Beetle and Japanese imports, offering American drivers a unique alternative. The Gremlin's short length and quirky design made it stand out in the crowded automotive landscape of the 1970s. Despite its initial polarizing reception, the Gremlin has gained a cult following among collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its bold design and historical significance in American automotive culture. Moving over to Japan, we continue with the Datsun 210, which was built from 1979 to 1982. The Datsun 210 represents Nissan's early efforts in the US market, offering a small, economical car that emphasized reliability and fuel efficiency. Its simple mechanical layout and lightweight design made it a practical choice for budget-conscious consumers during the late 1970s and early 1980s. The 210's affordability and availability of parts continue to attract enthusiasts interested in restoring a classic that blends Japanese engineering with nostalgic charm. Next on this list is the Pontiac Sunbird, which was built from 1976 to 1980. The Pontiac Sunbird shared its platform with the Chevrolet Monza, offering consumers a compact car with a sporty design and decent performance. It became known for its affordability and straightforward mechanical setup, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. The Sunbird's availability and potential for customization have made it a symbol of American muscle cars from the late 1970s. Enthusiasts appreciate its historical significance and the opportunity to restore or modify it for both performance and aesthetic enhancements. Focusing again on America, we have the Plymouth Horizon, which was built from 1978 until 1990. The Plymouth Horizon was another compact, front-wheel drive car introduced by Chrysler during the late 1970s. Designed for efficiency and practicality, the Horizon appealed to consumers seeking reliable transportation with good fuel economy. Its unassuming appearance and straightforward engineering make it a suitable choice for novice restorers interested in classic cars. The Horizon's availability of parts and affordability continue to make it a viable option for enthusiasts looking to explore the world of vintage vehicles without breaking the bank. The first German classic on the list is the Volkswagen Beetle, with a focus on the pre-1980 versions. The Volkswagen Beetle, often affectionately referred to as the Bug, is an automotive icon that needs little introduction. Designed with simplicity and reliability in mind, the Beetle's air-cooled, rear-engine layout became synonymous with Volkswagen's engineering prowess and innovation. Its timeless design and ease of maintenance have made it a beloved classic worldwide. The Beetle's availability of parts and relatively low purchase price continue to attract enthusiasts looking to own a piece of automotive history that combines nostalgia with practicality. We continue with the Chevrolet Citation, which was built from 1980 to 1985. As General Motors' first front-wheel drive compact car, the Chevrolet Citation represented a significant departure from traditional American automotive design. Despite facing criticism for quality issues, the Citation offered consumers a spacious interior and a variety of engine options. Its unique design and affordability have contributed to its appeal as a classic car for restoration projects. The Citation's place in automotive history continues to attract collectors and hobbyists interested in preserving this pivotal model from the 1980s era. We continue this list with the Chevrolet Chevette, which was built from 1976 until 1987. The Chevrolet Chevette was General Motors' response to the oil crisis of the 1970s, aimed at providing an economical and practical small car option for American drivers. It became one of the best-selling small cars in the U.S. due to its fuel efficiency and straightforward mechanical design. The Chevette's reliability and affordability make it a favorite among classic car enthusiasts seeking a no-frills driving experience from a bygone era. Its simplicity also means that it's relatively easy to maintain and find parts for, ensuring its longevity as a classic. Another cheap classic American is the Dodge Omni, which was built from 1978 until 1990. The Dodge Omni was Chrysler's response to the growing demand for fuel-efficient compact cars during the late 1970s and early 1980s. Featuring front-wheel drive, the Omni was practical and economical, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. Its straightforward mechanical layout and availability of parts have made it an ideal entry-level classic car for enthusiasts looking to embark on restoration projects. The Omni's historical significance as one of Chrysler's early front-wheel drive models adds to its appeal among collectors and hobbyists alike. Last on this list is the Ford Pinto, which was built from 1971 until 1980. Despite its controversial history regarding safety concerns, it remains a notable part of automotive history. This subcompact car was designed to compete with imports flooding the American market during the 1970s. It featured a simple and classic design, making it an affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. The Pinto's engineering is straightforward, which appeals to enthusiasts looking for an easy-to-maintain vintage vehicle. While its reputation may precede it, the Pinto has a loyal following among collectors and hobbyists who appreciate its nostalgic charm and historical significance. Which one would you like to own? Give your opinion in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? Then please like and subscribe for more of the best new vehicle videos here at Finest Vehicles.